So this is the upgrade I did to my wheels and tires. This is the stock ones that I had on. The original size is 265/65 R17. And I went ahead and I got some larger tires, some beefier tires. I think they look a lot nicer, as you'll see in a sec. And I went up a size to 265/70 R17. And here you can see I'm packing the new tires that I got. They came packed with a lot of plastic, but as you can see the size difference, it's pretty significant. So here's my OEMs, and then installing them, and then I also took the time to retorque my spacers that I put on in the previous video, the KSP 1.5 inch spacers. And this is how it looks after. They did rub a lot when I turned the wheels, so I ended up having to take off the mud flaps, and I put in a 2-inch leveling kit that you'll see in my next video. It's actually a KSP 2-inch leveling kit, and it did help with most of the rubbing. But yeah, this is how the new wheels and tires look.
Chavalones se fueron para arriba, con eso todos sueños. En 2010 empezamos con poca cosa.